Sebastian Usatiri Thobela FM al khotla ka tsela Afrika Borwa. Le nana go le go le tšheletang mokgelo mo go mo go motheledi me tlo tsena go go dira seno go fitela ka betsa so Mashamaite. Yes, this is the program that has stood the test of time.
In the heart of Limpopo, where culture speaks louder than words, one man rose to give voice to the dreams, history, and everyday lives of millions. Moloko John Mashamaite, a broadcaster, a cultural icon, a preserver of language, a legend of the airwaves. For more than 18 years, Moloko Mashamaite has been the beating heart of Thobela FM, South Africa's Northern Sotho radio powerhouse. Whether it's the heartfelt celebration of love on Mekgolokwane or the sharp political debates on Tabakgolo, Moloko's voice has brought clarity, comfort, and consciousness to the nation. Mekgolokwane, a Saturday morning tradition since 1989. Through wedding announcements, birthday celebrations, and tombstone unveilings, Moloko connects generations. He doesn't just host the show, he honors lives.
Mabung ababina puti balapateng moshate wa bakoni puti traditional authority ke more le ngona mahage sita dina le khono re tle go tlhatsola lenyalo le golo lenyalo la khoshi phaswane Clifford River wa botlhano le mokhumagadi maphewane boitumelo sopela hey basadi ba makitona ke ba loina ba thoka le ga Mekgolokwane fela nka le moja magage sho
But it's not just about joy. On Tabakgolo, Moloko confronts hard truths. He questions politicians. He challenges leaders. He gives everyday people a platform, in their language and on their terms.
Yeah.
Decisiveness.
Yeah.
Put you at the petrol, Jay. About the petrol, about the rappellation alone.
In a country still healing from its past, his voice has become a bridge between tradition and transformation. In 2021, the University of South Africa awarded him an Honorary Doctorate in African languages. Why? Because Moloko isn't just a broadcaster, he is a custodian of heritage, a defender of Northern Sotho, and a tireless promoter of African identity through media. In studios and rural homes, in cities and remote villages, Moloko Mashamaite has become a voice people trust. A voice of weddings, a voice of wisdom, a voice of home. Dr. Moloko John Mashamaite, thank you for keeping the soul of a people alive through every word, every melody, every broadcast. May your voice echo for generations to come.